Make sure your system is ready for installation by updating it. It considers the compatibility prerequisites of the new desktop environment. Next, use the following command to install Cinnamon. Install additional Cinnamon applications, optional. Now, restart the machine to apply the modifications. To switch it on, just click the button with the gear shape you see on your screen near the window. You may update your system with the following commands. Now, install the Tasksel utility via the following command. After installation, you can launch it. Press space to choose software to install. After that, press tab to choose OK, then press enter. Now, restart the system to implement the modifications. Select Cinnamon from the listed options in the session at the login screen. You've installed Cinnamon desktop environment on Linux Mint 22 successfully. Explore the additional features and settings to optimize your desktop experience.